All right, everybody, we're now gonna go for a ride in our 1969 Chevy Camaro. Everybody's high school dream car here. 396 big block, 4-speed manual, a very rare X66 trim code, which makes this car worth a little bit more. Quiet, but still presents a very, very well-known factor in the classic car world. Although she doesn't have AC, she still has her original AC Delco radio, original steering wheel, original style seats. Yeah. I'll take back what I said. She's a bean factor.
Yeah, clutch feels good.
Clutch feels good.
Ooh,
Brakes are real good.
Yeah.
Everything about this car is pretty much spotless. I mean, literally.
It's nice.
It's a really nice car we got here. Anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.